Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Sketch House. Sketch a simple floor plan with rooms, doors, and windows using basic shapes and a light pencil. Next, choose a scale that fits your paper and mark a grid for consistent proportions. Label each room and indicate furniture positions to guide flow. Use quick gestures to refine walls and openings, then darken final lines and add texture to suggest materials and finishes. Take your rough plan and refine the structure by defining exterior walls and roof lines with confident strokes and measured spacing. Add interior partitions and circulation paths to test functional layout and comfortable movement between rooms. Place staircases, entries, and openings deliberately so vertical and horizontal access works well. Check proportions against your scale and adjust wall thickness or room sizes to balance aesthetics and practicality before moving to detail work. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like for more practical tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum keeps your studio spotless while you sketch, with voice control and smart mapping so you can focus on creative flow. It picks up dust, crumbs, and eraser shavings without interrupting work. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Now focus on details that bring the sketch to life. Draw window sizes, door swings, and built-in furniture to clarify usability and daylight. Use simple hatching or short notes to indicate materials and finishes like wood, brick, or stone. Refine roof shapes, eaves, and basic landscaping to suggest context and curb appeal. Keep lines economical and purposeful, so the overall composition reads clearly and communicates design intent effectively to viewers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.